Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can, do an open verse from any song, from downloading the song on YouTube, to creating the space for the verse. So we are going to use Cubase and FL Studio. We start with FL Studio. Let's go. We go to our browser, then we put in this address, convert.ytmp3.org. Then we go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. We can put any song, but I'm using my song based on copyrights. And I'm using my song. Copy the link of the song on YouTube. Copy it, then to YTMP3 and paste it. Then we click convert. Finish converting, then click download, and it's downloading and already downloaded. So we drag it to our FL Studio. Yes, we drag it to FL Studio. See the song is playing. So we go to this part here, click and go to extract stems from sample, and make sure we click all these bars, vocal, drum instrument, then click extract. It has extracted. So everything is clean. I can mute anything. I can mute the drums, my vocals, instrument, bass, everything is there. So all I need to do now is mark out the bass, to mark out the bass. Use my knife to whatever. To cut out the bass, then we mute the bass. And this is the starting of the bass. So also cut it out. So my intro is playing, and you can see there's no bass. So if someone wanted to do an open verse, you can now lay his verse there, Yes. So cut out the rest part of the song we don't need. Then make sure to fade it. Then highlight, save, and we export. That is it. You now have a song with the intro and no verse and the chorus, where you can put your chorus. Now we go to Cubase. We do same thing in Cubase. We drag the audio to Cubase. Then we go to audio in these menus. Then we go to separate stems. And first you make sure you click everywhere, vocals, drum, bars, others, then click separate stems. As you can see, I have all my stems again. So vocals, drums, bass, others. Just like what we did in FL Studio, we mark out the verse again and mute it. And if I'm being too fast, please make sure you pause and observe. It's very easy to do. It's very easy, simple. Same way after muting the verse, we cut the rest part we don't want, highlight, fade out, then we export as MP3. If assuming this is the project you want to do the recording, you can just start recording, but if you are using another DAW, you can just save it out as MP3 and take it to that for to go and record. So that is it. It's very easy, guys.